Guys, so this is our time. This is where we're gonna be. Who is home? Ouch! So guys, this is my pine. I'm just gonna. Ooh! Hey! We are in bed, guys! When you come in, all you have to do is pull the master switch. So guys, let me show you guys around. Ooh, this is beautiful. Guys, this is one of the lodges. As you can see, this is the toilet, basically. So this is one of the rooms. It comes with a shower, yeah? It comes with a shower. Hi guys, we're home. I got home for everyone, so I'm just gonna quickly tour around. So it's got like a rail, there's a hot surface where you can dry stuff. So this one comes with a shower. There's a wardrobe here, nice, and then 2 single beds and a TV. So it's got a TV. It's also got a standing mirror as well. Okay, this is nice. Okay, let's go to the second house. So guys, this is another of the lodge. This one is a double bed. So this is a double bed. It comes with 2 wardrobes and a hot tub. Look at that. I think we'll give this one to the couples. So we're going to give this one to the couples. There's a couple that is going to stay with us. We're just going to give them this particular hot hydro bath so they can have a romantic time. Love it. But actually guys, okay, yeah, this is just like a bathtub basically. Hi, and a toilet as well. So this one is a double bed, okay? Double bed, and of course a mirror. Let's check out the other lodge. Ooh. So this one is also a double bed. So this one is a double bed with a mirror, a nice mirror with a beautiful view just at the back. Guys, I love it. It's got a TV as well. And then this one has a shower, but I think the shower here is bigger. So I think we're going to choose this room, me and Vera. I think I and Vera will stay here because the bathroom looks bigger. So yeah, we have enough space. You know, women know. So yeah, I think we'll go with this. This is hot. So guys, it is very clean, very neat, just well prepared. That's the bathroom, and it's got a very big mirror as well. There's lots of clean towels, and yeah, love it. I think I and Vera would stay here. Yeah, I think we prefer to stay here. So guys, this is the kitchen. It comes with cutlery, as you can see. There's plates. What is this? Oh, that's the chimney. So this one, guys, this is like the chimney. That's how it looks like. There's a microwave here as well. And oh, there's tumblers here. You can see tumbler glasses here. Lots of glass. Ooh, wine glasses. So here they've got lots of stuff, guys. This is the fridge. So this is the fridge, guys. This is the kettle, the tea. These are the cutlery. We have loads of cutlery, spoon, wine opener, can opener, knife, fork, everything you need basically. They've got graters, cooking utensils here, and some trays as well. Nice, very well prepared. They've got an electric hob here, and they've got an oven. So if you want to bake chicken, we're going to be having barbecue, guys. So they've got measuring stuff, they've got pots, they've got frying pan as well. I think very, very well prepared. Honestly, these are just empty shelves. Oh, they've got a dishwasher, guys, so you don't really need to stress. They've got beans, and I think this is a wine cooler. This is just like a wine cooler. Oh, it's so cold, guys. So if you've got wine or drinks, you can put it here. Yeah, and they've got a sink as well. Yes, guys. So they've got like, I think this is like a coffee making machine. So you can make coffee here. They've got an electric kettle. They've got an empty sink, some nice clean towels and soap for us. And we've got a toaster as well to toast our bread. Okay, so guys, this is the living room area. You can see some bags are here. Some bags that belong to some people are here, okay? So this is the dining area. We're going to be sitting here to have a good time. People will park their bags here, and we're going to have a good time. Honestly, this place is neatly decorated. You can see this is like a decoder. This is the main sitting area. So we've got like a television here. We've got a TV. We've got lots of chairs as well. So I think I'll just go ahead to select the room that I and Vera will stay. Let me take my stuff in. I love it. I love it, guys. Oh! So that's just the stuff I brought. I'll go ahead to select the room where we're going to be staying. So I and Vera will stay here because this is a double bed with a bigger shower, so I would like to stay close to the window for fresh air. Yes, guys. So I'm just gonna pick my bag. Love it, guys. So guys, this is the sitting room area. As you can see, it's a big shelf. People can come in, people can, you know, have a good time, you know what I mean? And then guys, let me show you the good part. Unlock. Good. How's it? Woo! So guys, I can't even see. This is the outside. Come, let me show you guys. This is the balcony, guys. So this is the balcony, guys, and this is like the barbecue stuff, and that's our sauna. I think somebody is coming in. I don't know if some people are here. I think some people have already started arriving. Yeah. Love it, guys. So guys, this is the barbecue stand. If you want to make barbecue, we'll use this our veranda. So this is the sauna, guys. Let me show you guys. Look at the fire. This is the sauna, guys. We have our private sauna. So guys, as you can see, I'm inside our private sauna. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to launch this place. Like, it's a private space just for us, for me and my guys. Yes. Magic is here. Welcome to our house. Richie, welcome to our house. Bye guys, see you. Sorry. Niger music. Ibam now, see dining table, see kitchen, everything, dishwasher coming. I can't go. I hope these people have YouTube. Yeah, I think so. They should. Let me write my name, please. Lisa. LISA. Touchdown. Ooh, look at that.
You roasted clay.